came out of the orange tree. I think there's some orange Play-Doh inside. And I think some animal got stuck in the orange Play-Doh in the orange tree. What animal could it be? Oh no!
I'm white and I have black patches. Moo! And I also have an udder that makes milk. So what do you think I am?
Oh, look! There's a leg. Oh, there's 2 legs. Maybe this animal has 4 legs and they're all white. Oh, and look! There's black patches and black spots on this animal. What could it be? Do you think it's a rooster? No. Do you think it's a donkey? No. It's a cow. Oh, look, we've saved the cow.
Oh, thank you for getting me out of there. Yes, you guessed right. I'm the cow who gives you milk. I make milk for your milkshakes. Hee.